Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the battery indicator icon on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. If the Settings app isn't on your home screen, you can get to it via the app drawer. In Settings, tap Notifications and Control Center. From the Control Center section, select Status Bar. In the Status Bar settings, tap Battery Indicator. On the pop-up, you can choose between 3 battery indicator styles. Tap the one you want to use and it will change to that. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.